Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. So let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking one card for your daily energy, guys, one card for your relationship, and one card for your wisdom oracle message, guys. So we'll open the cards as we proceed into the reading. So for your daily energy, Capricorn, 9 of cups. So with this card, things are going in a happy way, guys. You are feeling content. You are seeing success in your life. This may relate to your work situation or in your personal life. Things are as you expected. So you are reaching some kind of accomplishment, fulfillment, and satisfaction in your life, guys. And you are seeing success in your life, it is within reach. That is the energy here. Maybe in your work regarding some projects or some collaborations, you are seeing that success and you are happy with it, how things are going your way, guys. For your relationship, okay, so with this card, it just means that both of you are having a good time in this relationship. You both love each other. You have that deep understanding, compatibility, and attraction. Love is there in this relationship, and you are. This person feels you are someone really special, and you have that deep contentment and happiness in this relationship. You feel that gratitude, confidence, and harmony, guys, in this relationship. And maybe if you have faced any difficult times before, some misunderstandings, maybe you are coming to a clarity with this card. That is the energy. Maybe you are overcoming those difficult times that you had in the past, and you are feeling that confidence, harmony, and balance in this relationship, guys. You share a great intimate relationship with this person, and they feel you are someone special to them, or you feel they are someone special to you, guys. So what is the wisdom oracle guidance? Building blocks. Capricorn, the energy with this card, it is a very beautiful card here, guys. It is a time for you to strengthen your foundation for the future. So whatever things that are negative, whatever things you want to leave out, you should leave that out, and you should strengthen your conviction and your vision for future, and build your future on the strong foundation today, on honesty and clear understanding and communication. If it relates to this relationship or in your work, you need to lay the foundation for a strong future today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So whatever you need to do to cultivate that extraordinary life you want, so you need to go in for that. Whatever you need to do today, you need to do that today, guys. So to help you move in a positive way in life and reach success. So that is the energy with this card. So what is not solid, you have to replace those, whatever negatives that you have. You should be courageous enough to replace those and with what you need for laying your foundation for the future, to strengthen your future. So you need to give up all that is not working for you, and stand by those your abilities or your characteristics, whatever, in your work or in your relationship, to build a strong future, guys. So that is a guidance for us, Capricorn. I hope you like this reading. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.